stick this thing in the water. I'm dressed up like the tire man, Blimpy. Alright, it's good. Oh, it's so cold. I don't know if I can even get on this thing. Oh, no, it's sinking. Alright, here we go. Y'all saw my first lift off from a cell phone. We're gonna try it again now with my helmet cam on. Holy cow, this thing sinks like crazy. Here we go. Like what I'm used to. You gotta like lean a lot for it to turn and everything. That was very surprising. I honestly thought it would have turned pretty good, but yeah. The old 650 is a turd compared to the other skis I got. This is pretty dang slow, but I've got a 44 carb I'm gonna put on here, do that and everything, open that intake manifold up. This is kind of scary. Now it does not turn at all. I mean, it does. It turns better to the right than the left. Actually looks like, even like staring right here, this way turns more than going this way. Feels weird going that way. Now this feels real dumb. Just a cruising. Ah. Holy freaking cow. So damn cold. Okay, come on, baby. Come down here to me. Holy cow. Let's just calm down. Oh, it's so cold. My face is freezing. All right, here we go. Holy freaking cow. It does all right. I mean, it probably does really good, but it's so dang cold. Oh, there it is. Took her on a spin in some cold water. The drains seem to be working like they're supposed to. These are draining too. You can see them pushing out. All right, so now that I have rode the X2 and put it on the water and seen how it is and everything, I'm not sure if I need to mess with the carb yet. I hadn't got that involved. It was a little cold out, so may need to mess with the carb because it may be running too rich. That or it's just a turd and that's just how they are. And maybe I've just gotten so used to the 701s that this is just super slow and super weak. But aside from the power, now like I said, got it going. Aside from the power, this is all new to me, so I've never rode one until this video y'all seen. It does not turn. Like, I'm very surprised at how it doesn't turn. I mean, you really have to lean to get it to turn. And I don't know if it's something in the adjustment, but to the right is very, very bad. Like, it really don't turn at all to the right. Like, at least to the left, you can kind of feel it turning and all that. So, I may have to adjust that some or change the, or add like an extension for the leverage part of it. Maybe get a little bit more throw out of it and all that. Not sure. May have to trim something back there at the back. Aside from that, we got it going and got on the water. I've got to remind myself I'm not building this for me. I'm building it for my kids, mainly my daughter, so it doesn't have to have a ton of power, just to be able to get around and ride and have fun with it. So yeah, I guess the next video, probably gonna trim some off the rear and do that, and then work on the steering mods or whatever. Maybe do a little bit more body work, get it ready to paint, because I'm probably gonna paint this one pretty soon. Not really planning on putting it on the water a whole lot this summer. Just maybe just working on it, tinkering on it. So we'll see y'all in the next video.